Hello guys, welcome back on Java Learning Tips. Today we are going to talk about how to take an input from a user. So we should create the object scanner. So let's see here on Eclipse how that works. So scanner, that is also the type of the object, and the name, in this case I will call the object scanner because it's a scanner, but I can call the object any way I want. And new scanner, and inside here we have to write this, and we can and this should be uppercase, and we have to import the object scanner, and it will be imported here. So the scanner is an object with the type scanner, so creating a scanner it's the same to creating any other object. I've made a video about object, and the object is with the type scanner. So now that we have created our object scanner, we can use the scanner. So for example, let's say this will be a question printed in the console. There is the stuff from the last video. I will delete this. So this will be the question in the console, and we need to take the input from the user to get the answer of the question. So how we can get the input from the user? So we can just say scanner dot and next line. So now the input will be taken and stored. In this case, we can store the value inside the variable. So for example, I can say string and answer 1. So the value will be taken from the console and will be stored in the answer 1. So let's check this. Let's save. And we can also print the output in the console. So we can say system out your name. We should write as a string. So your name is, and here we can say plus, and the variable, in this case the variable is answer1. Check now our program, and what's your name, we can write here anything we want. So I can say my name is Mark, and as you can see, your name is Mark. There is no space here because to make a space we need to write like this. So another string and a space. Okay, now it's work. Your name is Rob. So this is to take a string as an input, but we can also take a number, an int, for example. We can say how old are you, for example. And here we have to take the input, so just like this, but this time will be an int. We have to change the name, and this will not anymore line because this time is an int. So next int, and yeah, now it's work. And here we can print in the console the answer, but this time we can say you are and the age, so answer 2. So what's your name? My name is Rob, for example, and your name is Rob. How old are you? I'm 21, and you are 21. Here we have seen how to take an input. If the input is a string, we can use next line. If the input is an int, we can use next int, but we can use also other types. So for example, let's see all the type that we can use, and control space next, and here we can see that we can use all the type. So we have byte, boolean, double, float, int, and all the type we want, short. So we can take in input any type of data that we want. We should just change next and the type that we want, but you can help yourself just typing control space, and there will be the suggestion of Eclipse. So let's delete this. So we have seen how to take an input, how to give an answer based on the input. So for the object scanner is all. The video ends here. If you like my video, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and if you want you can find me on Instagram, and I have also a web page. You can find all you need here in the description, and we will see in the next video. Bye.